videotaping for real now?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
It's lighting up. Scroll to Grandma again. Hello, Grandma.
Hello, Lexi.
Dun dun dun. What are you doing, Grandma?
What am I always doing in the kitchen?
Cleaning?
Cleaning or cooking?
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's go to Grandpa again.
Go to normal school.
Here we go to Grandpa. Guess he's in bed now. Here we go, back to Grandma. Grandpa.
Take that thing out of here.
No.
Get out of here.
No.
That's bad.
He's watching TV.
Go do it to Ashley.
Let's go to my room. Hello, people. Let's do some crazy stuff.
Can it record?
Yes. And now, we're gonna see it.